This backyard design and installation was done by Gappsi in Northport, New York, starting with the installation of a 16 by 36 vinyl pool with concrete walls. This raised area was built a few steps from the lower patio by the house. All the patios we use G45 blue limestone, select from the Gappsi natural stone collection. The pool copings G41 marble pavers. The retaining wall was built to retain the ground for the change in grade that we had, and was veneered with the culture stones Eldorado to match the house walls, and it was also capped with G41 marble to match the pool coping. The pool is equipped with a sun deck and steps across the shallow area with 2 bobblers. It's also equipped with an auto cover and benches with the stand ledge. In the deep end. We incorporated in a circular patio bumping to the grass with the retaining wall. We also re-landscaped the whole backyard. And this area we created a fire pit area. This also has a water view. And that's the reason why we put the patio for the fire pit past the house. This is the latest Gappsi backyard design and installation, built in Northport, New York.